Dear students, welcome you all for the second session of the fourth chapter of Human Resource Management, second semester, Mangalore University for BCom. So in this session, we are going to discuss the importance of training. So my session will include introduction and then we will discuss straight away importance of training. Training is considered to be one of the very important functions of organization because if at all an organization wants to perform, then its human resource has to perform. So how can we ensure human resource perform well? It is only through training. So that's why training is considered as one of the very important tool or a very important function for every organization. So without training, no organization can ensure that they are performing well. So that's why human resource need to be trained. They need to be developed. Only then we can ensure that there is a development in the organization. Now, on which areas training is given? So usually training is given on various areas. So first of all, training is given to enhance the knowledge. Okay, whatever the knowledge you have, that is the existing level knowledge, so you have to be taken to a new level of knowledge. So that is another objective of training. Then to acquire technical skill and social skill, which are very important for the work also, and also to work with others also. So to acquire that, training is given. And also training is given to inculcate values, very important, because the organization differs in the values. One organization will have one set of values, another organization will have another set of values. They will have their own core values, and also attitudes also matter. So to inculcate new values, new attitudes, training is required. And also to get experience. So more the training, more is the experience. So more the experience, better is the performance. And also to improve one's own personality, that is also very important, not only for the development of organization but also develop oneself or one's personality. So when employee is developed, it is an asset to the organization. So that's why the best way to increase the performance of an organization is through training, and that will result in higher productivity. So that is production in very efficient and effective manner. Now let's discuss various points highlighting the importance of training. The first one is higher productivity. As I told you, training improves the performance of the individual or employees. So when there is an improvement in the performance, we can ensure that there is an increase in the productivity. So if there is no improvement in the performance, we cannot ensure that productivity of the organization will increase because employees are not performing well. So then it will have an overall negative impact on the organization. So that's why when there is a improvement in the performance, it will result in better quantity and quality of the production. So everybody will focus on producing the good quality of goods and produce good number of goods, or increase, they will concentrate on increasing the number of goods. So that is what required to achieve the productivity. Next one, standardization. So standardization means uniformity in the work that is done in the organization. That means every individual or every employee should follow the same method, same procedure to work, and that is possible only through training. So through training, we can make the employees to follow certain ways of doing the work, and that is the standardized way of doing the work, and that can be followed by every employees. And also techniques of production. So if everybody is taught of same methods and same techniques of production, then definitely all will follow the same in the organization, and we can ensure good standardization in the organization that will result in better quality of goods. Next, improves organization culture and climate. An organization culture is determined by its values, attitudes of the individual, how individual employees, that is based, and that will determine the organization culture. And climate is how you feel within the organization. Okay, whether that is a good feel or bad feel, that is very important. So definitely through training, organization can nurture learning culture in the organization. That means every employee is trying to learn good values, trying to learn good attitudes, trying to learn to behave well. So when there is a learning culture in the organization, it will automatically reflect in the good culture in the organization. And also climate. So when through training, it gives a positive vibrations in the throughout the organization. Everybody feel that they are secured. Everybody feel that everything is communicated before the work, so there is no confusion, there is no problem, there is no tension. So they feel that there is a positive perception, positive feeling about the organization, and that is what required. Good feel about the organization will determine good climate. Next one, ensure stability and flexibility. How the stability is ensured? So stability is ensured when there is less labor turnover, and flexibility is ensured when any employee can work in any department. So whether it is possible, yes, of course it is possible through training. So through training we can make the employee feel that they are at ease, they are at ease to work, everything is communicated before work, there is no confusion. Okay, they feel that they should feel that they are happy to do the work. So when that is there, we can ensure less labor turnover in the organization, because everybody is happy, nobody will leave the organization. And flexibility, yeah, through training we can make all the employees to work anywhere in the organization. They should not feel that, so this is complete, this work is different, that work is different. So if we communicate everything regarding the various work that has to be done in the organization through training, then definitely we can ensure the flexibility of the employees performance. Next one, better health and safety. So how we can ensure better health? So better health can be ensured when there is no tension, when there is no problem, when there is no risk, when you are completely free, when there is complete peace in the organization, then there is a, we can ensure better health. So how this better health is assured? Through safety. So here through training we can make the employees to learn regarding how to handle the equipments and resources. So definitely when this is taught, then training will ensure reduced confusion in the minds of the various employees through mishandling of the equipment and resources. So there will be less number of mishandling of equipment and resources. When this is avoided, this is reduced, then automatically peace is created. There will not be much confusion in the organization, and this will create, okay, this will create good health or good mental condition in the organization. The next one, better employee morale. So as we have already discussed, it will create a good culture, organization culture and climate. So that is the positive thing. So when employees are taught everything in before, there will not be any confusion, there will not be any absenteeism, there will not be any problem of doing the works, and that will increase the morale of the employees. So training will reduce dissatisfaction. When there is a dissatisfaction, when you are not doing the work properly, so if that work is properly taught to you during the training, then there will be satisfaction. Complaints, when there is a complaints, when you do not know what to do, so if this is cleared in the training, there will not be complaint. Absenteeism, why you are absent? Because of pressure, because of tension, and that is avoided through training, then there will not be absenteeism, and definitely it will increase the interest in the work. So that is what the training will do, increase the interest in the work. Then less supervision and direction. Of course it will lead to less supervision because and direction, because employees know what they have to do, when they have to do, how they have to do. So there is no need of communicating anything. Okay, clear instructions are given in the training itself. So this is what the procedure, this is what you have to report, this is what you have to done at the end of the work. So everything is communicated to them, so it requires less supervision and direction. Then optimum utilization of resources. So the employees through training will come to know how to utilize the resources. So they are taught in advance how to utilize the resources to the maximum benefit. When that is taught, then definitely it will promote higher utilization of optimal utilization of resources with reduced cost and higher income. Because every employee will try to do this. They will utilize the resources to the maximum with minimum cost and with maximum benefits or maximum income. The next one, reduced learning time. When clear instructions are given before or in the training, then definitely it will reduce the learning time drastically. Need not learn anything because everything is taught in the training. You can directly do the work. So it will automatically help the organization in reduction in time to learn the work. Then skill enhancement. One of the purposes of training is to enhance the skills of the employees. It may be technical skills, it may be social skills, it may be personal skills, various skills. So various skills are taught through training, and that will help the employee to develop his own skill and also contribute towards a better performance, and that will lead to higher productivity. Then better career opportunities. So through training, what happens? The individual employee will have various skills, various good skills, okay, like technical, social, personal, various skills he will acquire through training, and that will add to his experience, that will add to his knowledge, that will add to his extra skills. And here employee grows to multifold. Employee grows to multifold, and when he is completely grown, when he is completely experienced, it will give him wider opportunities in the market. So along with the training, employee also grows with good skills and knowledge, and it will give him a broader opportunities in the market. He can flourish anywhere in the market. So that's all. Awesome. The last one is self-confidence. So through training, your confidence is doubled. You know what to do, you know where to report, you know how to do the work. So there will not be any confusion, there will not be any problem. You are very happy in the organization, and that will boost your self confidence. And when you are fully confident, that will result in higher performance. So these are the various highlights of importance of training. And that's all from this video. Thank you for watching this video.